Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Mir Kaleem and I've been a student at RISE for the past 1 year. The past year was so much different for me in the way that what I felt like it was gonna be and what it really meant for me. The past year at RISE might be difficult, might have been difficult, and it was such, and it was so much easy as well because might be because of the faculty that we are getting here, might be because of the one-on-one concentration that we are getting here, might be because the one-on-one importance that you're being given here, or more frankly, it might be because of the motive that you're being given here to be among the ones which made their lives worth living for. This institute really gave me really gave me the opportunity to make me feel like there is nothing like mugging up things. It is just the right concentration, right time, and the right method to enforce the things and catch your dreams. Thanks a lot.